All right, Birdie.
Really, really mad.
Whoa. Is that good?
Good. My feathers haven't grown yet, or is it torn up?
Maybe torn up. Alright, did you get it down?
That's for now. Give me another one.
Alright, it's still hanging out though. Hang on. Go ahead and finish that up first. Did you get it? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, just a minute. That's not food.
You want that?
Alright, I'll get you another worm. Hang on a minute. Alright. Not get such a long one this time. Yeah, maybe it'll handle it.
Get a drip feeding. And here comes the other one.
There you go.
Well, hey, it just takes the entire thing down.
Should be enough for now. I don't overfeeding.
I was trying to get out. Nope. Ooh, that's so. I don't know if I'd be able to handle that. I'm trying to come back up.
Hang on. Need something to wash it down with. Alright. Oops. Alright, there you go. Are y'all done?
The worm's trying to come back up.
He'll get it down.
You see the worm?
Yeah. There he goes. There you go. You get it down? Alright.
Oh, he did.
I'm still working on it. All right.